Good morning, students. Your warm welcome in your maths class. I hope you are enjoying your online teaching. Of course, very much. Everyone is enjoying. Are you understanding what I am explaining to you? If you have any problem, then you can talk to me. I will explain that thing again. No matter. In the previous lecture, we can say in the previous topic, we have done the factors and their definition. Now we are going to increase our topic further. We are going to move ahead. Then we will do the divisibility test because we have to find out the factors of the numbers. Then before finding the factors, we must know the divisibility test. What are the divisibility test? First start from 1. Test of number 1. Yesterday you have seen that every number is divisible by 1. Then what we can say? 1 is a factor of every number. So, all numbers are divisible by 1. As you know that every number is divisible by 1. Yes. Next, test of 2. For checking the test of 2, what you have to do? You have to check the ones place digit. If ones place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then that number will be divisible by 2. Then what is the checking for test of 2? You will check only ones place digit. Ones place digit must be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now I am giving you an example also. You can see. Suppose I have written 458. What you can see? This is 8. Ones place digit. Ones place digit is 8. Then this number will be divisible by 2. Because what we are doing? Test of 2. Test of 2 means we are finding the numbers which are divisible by 2. I think you understand. Ones place digit is 8. Then this 458 divisible by 2. Now we will check the divisibility test of 3. For test of 3, what you have to do? You have to add all the digits in the given number. If that number is, or you can say that sum is divisible by 3, then the given number will be divisible by 3. You will see what you have to do. Sum of all digits in a number must be understand this one again. Sum of all digits in a number must be divisible by 3. If this condition is satisfied, then the number will be divisible. Otherwise that number will not be divisible. Now you will see example. Suppose I have taken any number 656. What you will do? You will add all these digits, sum of digits. Sum of digits. 6 plus 5 plus 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. Whether 17 is coming in 3 table? No, it is not coming. 17 is not divisible by 3. 17 is not divisible by 3. Then the number, here I am writing for this one. 17 is not divisible by 3. Then this number will not be divisible by 3. So 656 is not divisible by. Now I hope you understand. Now we will do the next. Our next test is for number 4. For number 4, what you have to do? You have to check the number formed by ones and tens place. If ones and tens place number is divisible by 4, then the given number will be divisible by 4. This is the test for 4. If the number formed by last 2 digits. What is the meaning of last 2 digits? Do you know? Last 2 digits. Last 2 digits means number by ones and tens place digit. Number formed by ones and tens place. Now I hope you understand. If you don't understand, then see the example, then it will be more clear. See it, I am doing for you. What I have written? 724. For this test of 4, what you will do? What you will check? You will check the number formed by ones and tens place digits. Which digits are there? This is the number. Number formed by last 2 digits. That is 24. And I know this 24 is coming in 4 table. Of course, yes. 24 divided by 4, that is 6. It means this is coming in the table of 4. 7 to 4 is divisible by 4. Now next is test of 5. For test of 5, what you have to check? You have to check the ones place digit. If ones place digit is whether 0 or 5, then the number will be divisible by 5. See, if ones place digit is 0 or 5, then the number will be as you can see the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Then what you can see in this table? You can see that ones place digit is 0 or 5. That's why this is the divisibility test for 5. Example. $850. What is their ones place? 0. Then it will be divisible by 5. Digit is equals to 0. Then it will be divisible by 5. One example of digit 5. What you can see? Ones place digit. Ones place digit is equals to 5. Then this number will be divisible by 5 and this will also be divisible by 5. And I am giving you one example which is not divisible 5, like it. What you can see? Ones place digit is 3. Then this is not divisible by 5. Now next example. Our next test is test of 6. For 6 what you will do? You will check that the whether number given number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. If any number is divisible by 2 also and 3 also, then that will be divisible by 6 also. If any number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then that number will be you will see it by example. First understand the meaning. If any number is divisible by 2 and 3 both means that must be divisible by 2 also and 3 also, then that number will be divisible by 6. Now I am giving you example, only simple example I will give you. Suppose I have taken 96. What I have taken? 96. Then what you will do? You will check this 96 divisibility test for 2. First, you have to check for 2. Test of 2. For 2, what you have to see? Ones place digit. Ones place digit is equals to 6. Then this 96 is divisible by 2. Now for 3, test of 3. For 3, what you will do? We have done sum of digits. Sum of digits. 9 plus 6. What is the sum of 9 plus 6? 15. 15 is divisible by 2. 15 by 3. Yes. And we know that this is coming in 3 table. 3 5s are 15. Then this is divisible by 3 also. Then what you can see? It is divisible by 2 and it is divisible by 3. Then it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Then you can see, so 96 is divisible by 6. One more example I am taking here. If any number is divisible by any of these numbers, then what will happen? Whether that is divisible by 2 or whether that is divisible by 3. Suppose I have taken 87. I have taken 87. Then first what you will check? You will check for 2. Test of 2. Test of 2. Ones place digit. This is 7. Then this number is not divisible by 2. 87 by 2. You can say no, it is not divisible. Then for 3, sum of digits. 8 plus 7, 15. 5. Now what you can see? 87 is divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 2. Then this 87 is not divisible by 6. So 87 is not divisible by 6.